One of the most common questions I get asked is from someone who bought a shitload of stock in some ultra high risk company at $10 or $5 or $40, and now it's $2 a share or it's down 80%. And they're going, hey, what do I do? And I think that their thought is, well, you're in finance, so maybe there's something you know that I don't know that I can do, like some miracle answer. Well, all you got to do, here's the secret, all you got to do. Really, the reality is the lesson that you can learn and the thing that you can do is don't do that again. It doesn't mean don't buy speculative investments. What it means is only put in what you're willing to lose. And I think a problem with social media, especially finance social media, is that people love to come out on these apps and go, I bought it at $2 and I sold it at $50 and then it tanked and it's $5 and I made all this money. And people watch those videos and go, I want to, and they DM me, what's going to be the next one? What's going to be? Don't worry about that. Investing is a slow, long game for 20, 30 years. If you made a mistake and you put in a lot of money and you're down 80%, usually there isn't an easy answer. The money's gone. Don't do that again. That's the easy answer. And nobody wants to hear that. They want to hear, how can I get that money back? And the truth is, there isn't always a way to do it. Sometimes these companies are just losers forever and then they're done. Hit the follow.